Hello friends, today we'll solve one of the past examination questions in which it was a 20 marks question where we have to cast the horoscope, place the positions of the planet for Sun, Mars, Jupiter and Rahu in it. There are two methods to cast positions of the planet. One is direct proportional method which I am going to use in this example, and another is using proportional logarithm method. And second part of the question, which is the 5 marks question, is to calculate the balance of Vimshottari Mahadasha and Yogini Mahadasha at birth for the above horoscope. Since we have to write the proper procedure for calculating the D1 chart and then placement of planet, so I have written these are the steps used to solve. First is we have to calculate the sidereal time of epoch at the time of birth. Based on that, we will calculate the ascendant using sidereal time at epoch. Knowing the ascendant, we will cast the D1 chart that will calculate the position direct proportional method. Another method is proportional logarithm method. We require ephemeris for that year for which we have to find the planetary position. Here in the question it is for date of birth is 2022, so I will use the 2022 ephemeris. First step is calculate the LMT corrected birth time, then difference from 12 noon, then do the adjustment for the hour and minute using increased time interval table. After that you will get one value A. Take the value of sidereal time from table 1, page 2 of table of ascendant for same date. Like for example, in here the date is 3/12/2022, so we will take 3/12/1900 because that page is based for the year 1900. Then we'll do the year correction from the value we received in step D. After that we'll do the sidereal correction. Based on the year we'll do either plus or minus. So again given in the table of ascendant page 100, it is a PM birth and we'll do B plus A to get sidereal time of. If it is a AM birth, then we'll do B minus A. But if B is less than A, then we'll add 24 in the value of B. This is an exception which we need to keep in our mind when we'll be solving it. Date of birth is 3/12/22, time is 0007, place of birth is Delhi. In table of ascendant, page number 102, you will see Delhi. This is the latitude, longitude, and this is the LMT correction, and this is the sidereal correction for Delhi. From here, we will refer it. I have placed this value here. So if we subtract 000708 means it is third midnight approximately, and if we subtract 21.08, so the date lies in 2/12/2022 and the time is 23:45:52, so it will be a PM bar. Here I have shown how to do this calculation, but you need to be sure directly you can use any method. Then difference from noon means 23:45:52 minus 12. So it will be a difference of 11 hour 45 minutes. Again, we have to use table of ascendant, page number 5. Here, table number 4, which is the correction for increased time interval. These are the hours for which how many minutes and seconds are there. So for us, it was 11 hour. So 11 hour it is plus 1 minute 48 seconds. It is written as 1 minute 48 seconds for 11 hours. For 52 seconds, it does not lie here. 52, it is 48 and 54. 45 minutes and 52 seconds is near to, it lies between here, and since it is near, it is approximately 46. So I am using plus 8 seconds. If we add all, we get A value as 11, 47, 48. This is A value. Now we have to calculate the B value. For B value, we have to use refer page 2 in table of ascendant or date was. So it is 1642:35. 1642:35. Why there might be some confusion since the in exam the question the date was given as 3/12/2022, and here why I am taking 2nd December, because after the LMT correction this value moves 23:45:52. It now lies on 2nd December. This is very important point. So you need to be mindful when solving it. 2nd December, it is 2nd December 1900. So it is 1642:35. 1642:35. After that, we'll do the correction for different year. And for year 2022, it is positive 1 minute and 48 seconds. So we added plus 3 is the sidereal correction for Delhi. So I added this. If we add all, then we are getting this value. This is B value. Since it is a PM birth, we'll get B plus A. Now, when we add these two, we are getting 27, 91, 74. So initial calculation, it is coming as 28, 32, 40. Since sidereal time of at epoch can be between 0 to 23 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds. So I have to subtract 24. So the answer for sidereal time at epoch is 4 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. So this is our step 1 of the solution, because it is the base for doing the ascendant calculation. Step for ascendant calculation is should know the sidereal time at epoch. You need table of ascendant, then you need the latitude of the place. If it is not directly available, use the nearest available value of table of ascendant from page 9 to 79. Find the nearest value of time in the latitude place, just and next value from it. So our sidereal time at epoch is 4 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. So we have to find for 4 hours 32 minutes. Calculate the difference between the base value and the next value is found in step 4. Find the difference between base value and sidereal time at epoch. Then find the zodiac belt movement. Add the difference calculated in step 7 to the base value. Base value is the value which is present in the table of ascendant, and then add subtract the Ainamsha correction of that year to get the ascendant. Sidereal time at epoch is 4 hours 32 minutes and 14 seconds. Table of ascendant page 48 is for Delhi, and latitude you can see from the last pages where all the major cities of India is given. So our sidereal time at epoch is 4 hour 32. So 4 hour is directly given here. Then we'll see if on the left hand side if we have a value. So we have a value for 32. So our time is greater than 32. So the next value is 36. So this is our base value and this is our next value. See, here it is given sine, degree and minute. So it is 4 sine 17 degree and 40 minutes, and the next value is 4 sine 18 degree and 33 minutes. Base value is for 32, next value is of 36 as I shown from table of assignment. Then we, as per the step, we have to find the difference between step 5, these two. So 36 minus 32 is 4 minutes, and here it is the difference between 4 sine 18 degree 33 arc minute minus 17 degree 40 arc minutes. So the difference is 53 arc second. So 1 minute is 53 by 4. Here I have shown the calculation. How do we out? Step 6, the difference between the base value and sidereal time at epoch. So sidereal time at epoch is 4:32:14. Base value is 04:32. So it is for 14 seconds. Now for 4 minutes was 53. So we have to calculate it for 14 seconds. So I converted this 1 minute into seconds, and 1 second is equal to 53 upon 4 into 60. So then for 14 second I multiplied it, and after solving it is coming as 3.0916 arc minute. So we can convert the point value into lower unit by multiplying by 60, since 1 arc minute is equal to 60 arc seconds. So it is 3 arc minute and 5.499. So if you can either round it off for 3 minute and 5 arc second or 6 arc second. So it is approximately same value, since it is here both the values are 99. So I rounded out of 3 arc minute and 6 arc second. And difference for 1 or 2 arc second will not make any change in the answer. So zodiac belt movement is for 3 arc minute and 6 arc second in 14 seconds. So our base value for 4 hours 32 minutes is this. In this we added for 14 seconds. This is the correction. It is 4 sin 17 degree 43 arc minute and 6 arc second. After this, the next step was to do the Anamsa correction for that year. Correction is again present in table of ascendant. Yeah, Anamsa correction is present on page 6 of table of ascendant, and for 2022 it is 1 degree, so minus 1 degree 11 minute. We placed 1 degree 11 minute. So 6 here, 43 minus 11 is 32, 17 minus 1 is 16, and it is 4 sin. So this is the value for our ascendant Leo. Since 4 sign is past, 5th sign is running, so we'll put 5 here and then rest of the horoscope. So this is our D1 casting. D1 casting is done. Now we'll do the planetary positions for these. To solve the planetary position as informed above, we require the ephemeris for that particular year. Journal, the questions will be asked from the years only where we have the ephemeris. Since in 2024, either the question will be from 2024 or 2025. So we require ephemeris 2022, and then we have two values. One is 2nd December and 3rd December. See the positions we require ephemeris for that particular year. We have two dates, planetary position at that particular time. One is 2nd December, 3rd December. It is from here. It is at 5:30 a.m. And 2nd December and 3rd December it is 7 sin 16 degree, 5 arcminute and 22. Why we are using 2nd and 3rd? Because it is in the midnight of 2nd and 3rd. That's why we are using these two values. So the 24 hours it is moving 1 degree 0 arc minute and 46 arc second. So for 24 hours the movement is around 60.7666 arc minute divided by 24. 000700 exact time of birth. Then this value is present for 5:30 a.m. for both the days. So we will subtract 5:30, and from here how much time has passed? It is 18 hours and 37 minutes has passed. So we'll convert it to hours. Since 1 hour is equal to this, so it is 18.6166 hours. We'll calculate the difference for 18.6166 minutes. So it is coming as 47.1361 arc minutes. So it is converted to arc second, and the answer is 47 arc minute and 8 arc second. So for 18 hours, the movement is for 47 arc minute and 8 arc second. So the base value is for 2nd December, so it is 7 sin 15 degree 35 arc minute and 49 arc second. And we'll add this, so we get the longitude of sun. Similarly, for moon, we'll take two values from the same table for 2nd and 3rd December, then we'll get this difference from it. And for 1 hour, it is coming like, then we have find that we require it for 18.6166 hours. So we calculate it is coming as 10 degree 19 arc minute and 58 arc second. If we add it into the base value, we are getting moon's longitude like this. Then Jupiter, same 2nd and 3rd December. In difference, it is just 1 hour it is just moving arc second. For 1 hour it is this. For 18 hours if we multiply it, we are getting 47 arc second. So if we add it, we are getting the longitude of Jupiter. Rahu, 2nd December the value is this, 3rd December the value is this. The difference, you see one difference here. Since Rahu and Ketu are mostly in the retrograde, here since 3rd December is less than 2nd December, so we'll see, we can clearly see that it is in the retrograde motion. For 24 hour it is 3 arc minute. Then we calculate for 18.6166, we are getting this. Since it is a retrograde motion, so we will subtract the value whatever we received for the 18 hours from the base value. We get 0 sign, 17 degree, 31 arc minute and 40 arc second. And any planet which is retrograde, we have to subtract from the base value. So now we'll do these placement. So Sun, it is 7 sign pass, so it will lie in Scorpio. Jupiter and Moon are 11 sign pass, so it will come in Pisces. Since Rahu is 0 sign pass, so it will come in the Aries. So till here we have solved 20 marks question. Now let's calculate the Vimshottari Mahadasha balance at the time of birth. For that we require moon's longitude to calculate the nakshatra, and based on the nakshatra we can easily find the Vimshottari Mahadasha balance. So moon's longitude is this, lies in Pisces and 13 degree. So we'll convert all these value including sign into the arc minute, and then we will divide it by 800. So nakshatra will be 25 nakshatra past and 26th is running. So 26th nakshatra is Uttar Bhadrapad and its lord is Saturn. Since this fraction value it is already moved this, so we have to find how much time is balanced. So we'll 1 minus 0.7653, we get this. For Saturn, the Mahadasha period is of 19 years, so we'll multiply this value into 19. We are getting 4.4593 years. So if we convert point value into months by multiplying it by 12, we are getting 4 year 5.516 months, and 4 year 5 months then converted into days is 4 year 5 months 15 days and 8.35 hours. You can even further convert it to minutes and seconds. So this is the dasha balance for Vimshottari Mahadasha. Now let's calculate the Yogini Mahadasha balance at the time of birth. To calculate the Yogini of at the time of birth, we require nakshatra running plus 3 divided by 8. We are adding 3 because first nakshatra is mapped to 4th Yogini. Whatever is the remainder, if it is between 1 to 8, it will be between 1 to 8. If it is either 0, then we'll use the 8. Here the remainder is 5. So 5th is Bhadrika, and the duration of Bhadrika is of 5 years and it is under the lordship of Mercury. So Dasha balance same, 1 minus this is 0.347. So and the 0.347 into 5. This value I have used from here. Into 5 years we multiply, we are getting this. In years then we'll convert it into lower values. So answer by multiplying, answer is 1 year, 2 months, 2 days and 11.04 hours remaining for Badrika Mahadasha at the time of birth. Thank you.